Excuse me, sir. Do you work here?
No, I am just a customer. My name is Leo.
I am Claire. This is my first time in a laundry.
Welcome, Claire. It is easy when you know the rules.
I see many buttons. I am afraid to break the machine.
Do not worry. These machines are very strong.
Which machine is the best for a small basket?
You can use machine number 5. It is perfect for you.
Thank you. Do I need to put the money in now?
First, you must put your clothes inside the machine.
Okay, I have jeans and some t-shirts here.
Are they the same color? You must be careful with colors.
Yes, they are all blue and black. Is that okay?
That is perfect. Dark colors are easy to wash together.
I am putting them in now. The machine is very deep.
Now you need to close the door. It must be tight.
I heard a click. Is it closed now?
Yes, that is the sound of a locked door.
Now I need the soap. I have a big bottle.
You only need a small amount of liquid soap.
Where do I pour it? I see 3 small holes.
Pour it into the first hole on the left.
I am pouring it now. It smells like fresh flowers.
I like that smell. My soap smells like the ocean.
Now I see a screen with numbers. What do I do?
You must choose the temperature. Do you want hot water?
My t-shirts are cotton. Is warm water better for them?
Yes, 30 degrees is a safe choice for cotton.
I am pressing the button now. The light is green.
Great! Now you need to pay with your card.
I have my card here. Where is the sensor?
The sensor is near the big red button.
I am touching it with my card. I hear a beep.
The screen says $5. The machine is starting.
I see the water now. It is moving very fast.
The machine takes 40 minutes to finish.
40 minutes is a long time. What do you usually do?
I usually read my book. It is a story about a detective.
I forgot my book at home. I am very bored.
There's a coffee machine over there. The coffee is cheap.
That is a good idea. Do you want a cup of coffee?
Yes, please. Black coffee with no sugar is fine.
I will get it for us. I will be back in a minute.
Thank you, Claire. I will watch your machine for you.
Here is your drink. It is very hot.
Thank you. Let's sit on these chairs near the window.
The view of the street is nice. Many people are walking.
This is a busy neighborhood. Many students live here.
I am a student too. I study art at the university.
That sounds very creative. Do you paint many pictures?
Yes, I paint mostly birds and trees. I love nature.
I am an engineer. I work with big machines all day.
Maybe that is why you are good at laundry.
Maybe. Machines are simple for me to understand.
I'm happy you are here today. I was very nervous.
Everyone is a beginner at first. Tomorrow you will be a pro.
I hope so. Laundry is a part of life now.
It is a peaceful time for me. No phone, just books.
I should try that. Modern life is too fast.
I agree. Sometimes we need to slow down and wait.
Look at the machine. It is spinning very fast now.
That is the spin cycle. It removes the extra water.
It is a bit loud. Is the machine jumping?
No, it is heavy. It will stay in its place.
My clothes look very small inside that big drum.
Wet clothes always look small. They will grow again.
Do you come here every Saturday?
Yes, Saturday morning is my laundry time.
I will come on Saturdays too. It is a good routine.
It is better than Sunday. Sunday is for the park.
I go to the park on Sundays too. I like the big lake.
The lake is beautiful. I like to run around it.
You are a very active person, Leo.
I try to be healthy. It helps me to think better.
I am often lazy. I like to sleep and draw.
Drawing is work too. It takes a lot of energy.
That is true. My eyes are often tired after painting.
You need good light for your art. This laundry has good light.
Yes, the windows are very large. It is a bright space.
The timer says 10 minutes left. We are almost finished.
Do I need to dry the clothes or can I take them wet?
You must use the dryer. Wet jeans are very heavy.
Are the dryers easy to use?
They are easier than the washing machines.
Do they cost more money?
Now, it is only $2 for 20 minutes.
That is very fair. I have some coins in my pocket.
Dryers usually take coins. That is good.
I am ready for the next step. Let's wait for the beep.
There it is. The machine is finished.
The door is locked. I cannot open it.
You must wait 1 minute. It is a safety rule.
Now it is open. My clothes are very warm.
That is because of the warm water. They smell very clean.
I am putting them into my basket. They are a bit heavy.
Let me help you with the basket. The dryers are over there.
Thank you, Leo. You are a very helpful neighbor.
Which dryer do you want? Number 10 is very hot.
I will take number 10. I want my jeans to be dry.
Put the clothes inside. Spread them out for the air.
I am shaking the t-shirts. They have many wrinkles.
The dryer will remove the wrinkles. Do not worry.
I am putting the coins in the slot now.
Press the high heat button for the jeans.
I see it. It is the big orange button.
Perfect. Now press start and the drum will turn.
It is moving. This machine is much quieter.
Yes, dryers are gentle. My clothes are in number 12.
Oh, I see. You are finished with your washing too.
Yes, I am just waiting for my towels to be dry.
Towels take a long time to dry.
Yes, they are very thick. I usually give them 30 minutes.
I have some wool socks here. Can I dry them?
No, do not put wool in the dryer. It will shrink.
Oh, thank you for the warning. I will take them out.
You can hang them at home. They will be fine.
I have a small drying rack in my room.
That is the best way for wool. It keeps the shape.
I am learning so much today. This is a laundry school.
And you are a very good student, Claire. My dryer is finished. I must fold my towels.
Do you fold them here or at home?
I fold them here. There is a large table for folding.
That is a smart idea. It saves space in the basket.
If you fold them warm, they look like new.
I will try that. My dryer has 5 minutes left.
I am folding my blue towel now. It is very soft.
Did you use a fabric softener?
Yes, I used a small dryer sheet. It makes things soft.
I don't have those. Can I buy them here?
Yes, the small machine near the door sells them.
I will buy a box for next week.
You can have one of mine today. Here you go.
Thank you, Leo. You were too kind.
It is just a piece of paper. It is no problem.
My dryer is stopping now. The time is 0.
Open the door carefully. The air is very hot.
Wow, it is like a sauna inside.
Take the jeans out first. They are the heaviest.
They are perfectly dry. This is amazing.
Put them on the table. I will show you how to fold.
I usually just roll them into a ball.
No, balls take too much space.
Show me your way. I'm watching your hands.
You fold the legs together, then fold it in half.
That looks very neat. I'm trying it now.
Perfect. Your pile of clothes looks very professional.
I feel very proud of my laundry today.
You did a great job for your first time.
I had the best teacher in the city.
My basket is ready. All my towels are folded.
My basket is ready too. It is much lighter now.
Dry clothes are always lighter than wet ones.
I am putting my wool socks on top.
Don't forget your laundry detergent bottle.
Oh, thank you. It is still near machine number 5.
It was a pleasure to meet you, Claire.
It was nice to meet you too, Leo.
Will I see you next Saturday at 10 o'clock?
Yes, I will be here. I have more dirty clothes at home.
Great. I will bring a new book to read.
And I will bring my sketchbook. I can draw the machines.
That is a very cool idea for an artist.
Maybe I can draw a portrait of the Laundry King.
I am not a king. I am just a man who likes clean socks.
To me, you are a hero. You saved my jeans.
I am happy to help. Have a great weekend.
You too, Leo. Enjoy the park on Sunday.
Thank you. I hope the weather is sunny for your drawing.
The forecast says it will be a clear day.
I am going to my car now. Do you need a ride?
No, thank you. I live just 2 blocks away.
That is very close. Walking is good for you.
Yes, I like the walk. It is a quiet street.
Take care, Claire. See you in a week.
Goodbye, Leo. Thank you for the dryer sheet.
You are very welcome. Goodbye.
I am walking home now. My clothes feel so fresh.
See you soon.
See you soon.